This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing Java, util, scanner, and instantiating a scanner on system, and so you can read keyboard input immediately. Create prompts, then call the appropriate read method, next, next line, next int, next double, depending on the data you expect. Once done, validate with has next int or has next double before parsing. This prevents input mismatch exceptions. Make sure to explain choices to users and keep prompts concise. Because clear prompts reduce parsing errors and make input flows predictable, you now handle the tricky middle steps, parsing and buffer management. When you mix next int or next double with next line, consume the leftover new line by calling an extra next line, so subsequent reads behave as expected. Also, prefer has next int or try catch blocks to catch bad input and provide user feedback rather than crashing. If your input uses commas or pipes, set a custom delimiter with use delimiter, so scanner splits tokens correctly. These steps keep your input robust across varied user entries. You finish by wrapping reads in validation loops so your program reprompts until it receives acceptable data, and close the scanner only when you really finish reading, closing system. Ink can break later reads in larger applications. Once done, structure your code to return useful error messages and recovery paths. If things go wrong, remember the common culprit, a leftover new line. If input appears skipped, insert a single consuming next line to clear the buffer. This quick fix resolves most unexpected skips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.